Hey guys, welcome back. I am popping on to do a layout for Build a Page. So this will be my first layout. I believe it goes up July 19th. And I'm using cut files for 4 of the layouts. I'm not using it for Thursday, the 21st, but all the rest of them I am using cut files. And I'm using free cut files from Paige Evans from her Facebook group because that's just all kinds of fun. And I think this one was from International Scrapbook Day. Actually, I think all of them I'm using are from International Scrapbook Day. I don't know, but they're her freebies. So this one reads The Best Day, very, very large. It's probably going to eat my layout. Okay, so we have that. I have this photo of my daughter and all of her best gal pals, and it's cute and adorable, and it's such a fun group, so we have that. And then the rest of this fab page kit, it is all Jen Hadfield with some Scrappin' Happy Studio and a little bit of Spiegelmom scraps. So I've got a couple of background papers. Now I didn't know what cut files I was going to use when I was doing this, so I'm probably going to have this bad boy be my background paper, but we'll see. And I did choose from small paper pads, a bunch of papers to back with. So hopefully I'll have enough because my lettering is really big, but we'll see. I've got the full set of accent stickers and I have die cut. So I have lots and lots. I also have, and I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, we'll see. I've got this watercolor paper that's pretty awesome. The idea of coloring in my own flowers is really fun. Although I think I'm going to end up having plenty with this, the goodies in here, because once again, my cut file is freaking massive. So what I'm going to do is, what am I going to do? I don't know. I do know that I have to mat this, but it's not going to be my first step. I just have to decide, do I want to have a white on white cut file, which is fun. Then I can do the inky stuff on the edges. Maybe, should I do that? Or, I'm going to do that. So that means I'm going to cut this down to 11.5 by 11.5. And then, yes, we'll go ahead and do that. Or do I want to do, I think 11.25 by 11.25, because I want to see a little bit more of that pattern paper because it is beautiful. Just beautiful. So I'm going to do one of these, right? I'm going to go ahead and trim this paper, and I'm just going to go off camera and back this cut file because it's going to take a nice amount of time to do so. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back in a little bit. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and have my cut file sorted out, created a little shaker pocket on the S because my daughter's name is Shay, and why not? I have sequins in my little kit, and I've backed my photo just with some white cardstock. I have one little strip of dimensional adhesive so I can pop my photo here-ish because my whole cut file is popped up. But what I think I want to do right quick is to go ahead, I'm looking for, oh, here's a green one, to do a little bit of inky work just here and there. I have tea dye and bundled sage for my colors. Let's start with bundled sage because, that's the color brush I have out, and just get a little color kind of soft. I'm not going to press really hard around the cut file. See how that's adding just a little something, a little something extra? So I'm going to pop off camera to do that, but I thought I'd show you the plan I have. And around this little photo area, I'll bring my ink out just a little bit more because I want the photo to be super included as, a big element, because this is all about the photos. So yes, that's what I'm going to be doing. So I thought that might make it just a little extra zhuzh if we could have that going on. So let me finish this little spot right here where the photo will be at, and keeping in mind I'm trying to press lightly. There we go. About like so. Need to get just a little bit more in right there. All right, so that's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna keep going with both colors. I'll be back in a minute. So I have my inking done. I have my cut file is attached down. My photo is attached down. So this is the thing. It's this big full done layout. Now I want to go through all of these goodies and find things to tuck. So give me a second. So I have started to place some of these little goodies here and there that I thought work for this layout. So let's go ahead and pop this little floral piece. It's super pretty. Back behind this one. The words don't really matter. I just like the floral on floral, I guess is a way to put it. Got a little piece of dimensional adhesive because I wanted a bit of this sticking up. And I like this "We Will Grow Together." I think that's really cute. There we go. Oh, I needed to put the dimensional adhesive down here. And then this part up here needed the stuff. I don't know why I do that so often that I get it like opposite day. Okay, I have that. I like this Best Friends little piece in pink, which is now bringing a little bit of pink into the situation. I think that would be cute. And then I have this piece that says "Let's Get Outside" that I'd like to pop up just a little bit. So let me get another little square bit or rectangle bit, I guess. And then, oh, but wait, then I have the stickers to go through, a couple of sequins, boo, 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 and this will end up being done, but I think it's super cute. I think maybe like that, and then this can come over here. Like that Y is really kind of covered, isn't it? Maybe I should come over just a little bit more so we can see the bits. Okay, we have that. Now I have this little bit here that looks like a cell phone. It says "Reminder, just relax." Okay. Thought that would be cute, tucked back here. And then this says "Today is your day, let's celebrate." And pretty much this was just a bunch of friends that had gotten together to hang out because they live in different places now. And yeah, they're just hanging out. It's a good thing. Okay, we have that stuff. I still have my sequins. And then I do like the idea of getting a little bit of gold. And I only have gold on this bit right here. So I've got these hearts. I've got butterflies. Let's see. I also like the idea of getting some florals or leafy bits over here. So maybe I can do that with the gold, although now the gold is just with the gold. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can use this bit of gold. Do I want to use this one? I don't want the white on the white. How about, here we go, this right here. So that's bringing in gold over here. Now I have like gold in 3 places. That feels better. Let's see if there's anything else that just needs to get on here. I've got some of these gorgeous butterflies, and I feel like, I mean, butterflies have a way of going onto layouts very nicely. It doesn't even really have to like match or make sense or work for some reason for me. So I've got this green one I think is gorgeous. What do I have just 2? Do you guys see one anywhere else? Oh, there's a giant gold one. I like the colored ones for this project. I'll end up wanting the gold ones on another, but let's see. Because I kind of just have the two little areas that I'm doing things. So what if I did something kind of like that right there? And then this gorgeous indigo periwinkle something something. That's covering a lot there. I'm trying to figure out. I can't cover any more of the Y. Like we literally can't even read. So if I do that, which I do like, I'm covering up the sticker that I just put down. Why do these things happen, huh? Okay, so we've got our cute little butterfly there. Maybe I'll bring some of these leafy bits down there. And I think I'm 1 second from done, and then I will just go ahead and pop some sequins around and show you the finished layout. So give me just 1 second. Okie dokie, my friends. I did go ahead and put on some flair from Scrappin Happy Studio. This is a set called Love and Laughter, and they are canvas flares, so they feel really cool. And in those same clusters, I went ahead and put my Spiegel Mom Scrap sequins, and that is this layout all done and fun and very dramatic title and this cute pic with all of these best friends. Okay, I'm gonna have a few still shots in a moment, and I will have links down below for the other Build a Page creators. And yeah, that's it. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Bye for now, friends. Here's the still shots.